Okay, there's nothing inside, but you can flip the lid two different ways. So it looks like a basket this way, and you flip it over, and then there's a boo sitting on top of the basket. Our final surprise egg is a Kinder Surprise egg covered in Play-Doh to look like Spider-Man. Let's squeeze this egg open, and what do we have inside? Oh, interesting, a little ladybug. I wasn't expecting that inside the Spider-Man egg. I guess they're both bugs. This little ladybug figurine is pretty funny. She's got a little scrub brush and she's washing her back. And she's also got a little rubber ducky at her feet. There's all 4 toys that we got today. I think my favorite is Abu and the grasshopper. What's your favorite? Click on the clip to see another one of us.
No one else to turn to. Oh, and there's one more thing. We haven't discussed the subjects of payment. You can't get something for nothing, you know. But I don't have any. I'm not asking much, just a token really, a trifle. You'll never even miss it. What I want from you is your voice. My voice? You got it, sweet cakes. No more talking, singing, zip.
Yes, well, forgive me for not jumping for joy. Bad back, you know.
Hey, Uncle Scar, when I'm king, what will that make you?
A monkey's uncle.
Wait. I got one. Make mine a curb sandwich.
Yeah, well, do we order this dinner to go? Because there it goes!
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is fairest of them all? One bite of this apple, and all your dreams will come true. Enough with the lights, Rapunzel! You are not leaving this tower ever! Great. Now I'm the bad guy. Honor, you're so cold. Hans, you have to kiss me. What? Now. Whoa, slow down. What happened out there? Elsa struck me with her powers. You said she'd never hurt you. I was wrong. Anna. She froze my heart, and only an act of true love can save me. A true love's kiss. Oh, Anna. If only there was someone out there who loved you. How are you, Corella? Miserable, darling, as usual. Perfectly wretched. Girls, every eligible maiden is to attend the prince's ball. Oh, why, that's us! And I'm so eligible.
Off with the heads!
I'm Maleficent. I am Maleficent. I am Maleficent. Ha 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 ha. I'm Maleficent. Hi, I am Maleficent. Hi, I am Maleficent.
else to turn to. Oh, and there's one more thing. We haven't discussed the subjects of payment. You can't get something for nothing, you know. But I don't have any. I'm not asking much, just a token really, a trifle. You'll never even miss it. What I want from you is your voice.
My voice?